What is going on? Testing out this GoPro with my car. I don't have it mounted on anything yet. I'm just testing it out to check the sound because, you know, the microphone is really low when you have a waterproof cover on there. So I'm just testing it out right now. I got the door open to see how it's actually going to like record the sound with me driving and talking, and then the radio playing. Just trying to see how, you know, how it's going to pick up the sound. So when I do mount it in here and, you know, put it in when I, you know, do my little daily commutes or whatever, I get a gauge of the sound to see what I need to do to improve the sound quality. But yeah, right now, just a short little ride to McDonald's. It shouldn't be too much traffic today, but you never know around here. But all right.
I love it. That summer in Chicago. God bless you. Beautiful as hell like a newborn. Can I get blown like a hot soap? Can I with the coupon? Lights came baby when the drive out cause I got the camera.
I don't know what this is on the radio. Little Yachty. I don't know. Can't do it.
The countdown on Tanya West and holding
Of course, the speed limit is 35 and I'm going 40, and this Highlander blew by me going about 50.
I never been a fan of police, but my neighborhood know I try to get these, so it's only right that I get in this shit. Right, couple models with them bottle shit.
Not going to that McDonald's. Last time we went there, they didn't have any food. Yeah.
One of more than 100 extra series X.
There's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her, cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she got to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. She made for a boss, only a boss. Anything less, she telling them to get lost.
driving and texting. Favorite thing to do. Holding up traffic. Here in Virginia, green means stop. So keep that in mind while you're coming along with me on this journey. Green means stop. You see this long line of cars in that lane over there on the right. They're all lined up to get on I-95, which is like a half mile up the street. But yeah. Still playing with his phone. Actually, I don't know if that was a man or a woman. Look at them cars and trucks. Oh, got it. They switching drivers, or is it an accident? Or accident. Yep. Of course, we got everybody stuck in that lane. I'm telling you, this traffic is every day. No reason. It's a little back road I could have took to went around to avoid some of this traffic, but I wanted y'all to, you know, see what it's like just going like 2 or 3 miles up the street. I don't even know where half these people come from. Half these people in this middle lane is going to try and merge over to cut people off to get in that right lane to get on I-95. So check them out. Nice boat.
This is for my ghetto motherfuckers.
40 side,
Got some explicit music coming in.
I'm switching gears, headlights shine so bright, bitches freeze like this. The fiends want that D-boy, feds sending decoys, pack that heat boy, push you where you rest in peace, boy. Get your mama's house shot up, bodies all chopped up. When them bodies pop up, I ain't getting locked up. My Bentley cruise the block with the sunroof top, harass, jumping on my jock, cause I blew up the spot, crushing your bins, crushing your navigator system. My QB piece, make y'all niggas tuck your shit in. It's Nas in your area, Queens about to tear it up. Braveheart, y'all scared of us, real niggas, baby, up.
What's your name? Cause I'm in.
She heard my deep stroke, she said, babe, does it hurt when I...
Boy, if I need me a drink, I got a Richie that sit on my left.
Text from you came through on my phone.
Say what? Baby, you got.
Where did you go?
Now this when the music starts to play.
Me up, we both get lost in loving. Ooh, but sometimes you just get so cold. I'm sleeping with a stranger.
Hey, you got a green light. Am I gonna make it? I don't know. All right.
You switching up, did you get enough? You think you magic with your tricks and stuff? I'm pulling love, can you feel me? Whipped cream, grenadine with the cherry. One day you're this way, the next day you're all cloudy with the rain and don't play. Ooh, I swear you just get so cold. Am I sleeping with a stranger? I don't know what I'm
All right, we made it here to McDonald's.